Mingawoy,
Play. Mingawoy.
Mana tu biok pau tu.
Mangayo ko kape.
Play na. Di ani na ko kabira.
Okay.
Tok 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 tok.
Unsa ato?
Tok tok tok.
English?
Tok 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 tok.
Knock, knock.
Tok 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 tok.
Come in. Okay.
You're applying for a job.
Yes, sir. Give me coffee. Damn. Thank you. Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
So, what are you applying for?
Sir, I'm applying for a call center. Obviously, it's a call center.
Why? This is networking.
Sir, I'm applying for a networking job because
This is call center.
I'm applying for a call center job
So, why you... Yeah.
because I am the one who's English.
You're... Call center?
Yes.
So, why... Anong nag-ingon man ka na mag-call center ka?
Because it haven't
It happened what?
milkshake.
Okay. Give me your resume, your application letter, and thank you.
Iro ako ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes and no, because I'm in interview. Well done. So,
Yes, sir.
what is your personal background between you and I?
My personal background between you and I is getting married, and it happened to from
Yes, your school background. What is your...
Sir, when I was in elementary, I was studying in Orot International High School in Guam.
Yes. So,
Excuse
why are you here?
Excuse me, sir.
What is it?
You have a meeting this afternoon?
Con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Con los terroristas. Con los terroristas.
Pinitik! Shit! What? Balik, balik! Balik, Pinitik!
Dito na.